This is week 3, folks. Week 3 of the semester. Week 2 didn't work out so well because I had some technical difficulties. The computer wasn't working. It wasn't uploading this new capture. It wasn't working. So week 1, we talked about sacrifice. How much you got to give up? What do you have to give up in order to be successful as we start new? With New Year's resolutions, with the new semester, this is a chance to start over. Week 2, I want to talk to you guys about practice. Practice, practice, practice. I was trying to tell you that Super Bowl weekend is upon us. We already had the Super Bowl. In order for teams to get to where they are, they had to practice. In the NFL, they get one game a week. One game a week. And they practice way more than once a week. They probably practice 5 days a week at least to get ready for that one game. So the same thing for you. You're in school, right? You got a test coming up. You should be practicing way more than you're taking tests. You should be practicing way more than you're in the game. All right? You're in the game. You got things to do, but you got to practice. That means for you, what does that mean for you? Homework. Call it whatever you want. Homework, studying, practicing. You have to get out there in order to prepare for the game, to win, to become champions like the New York Giants. You gotta practice. Now, personally, I wasn't rooting for the Giants. I was not. I was going for the Patriots. But both teams worked their tails off to get to the Super Bowl. Brady may never make it to the Super Bowl again. Eli Manning may never make it to the Super Bowl again. I mean, what were the odds of them facing each other, twice in 5 years? It's rare. But I guarantee you they were putting it all out there while they were practicing. So there's no difference for you. You have to practice. You got to sit down, get discipline, and start practicing. Get out there and start practicing. Start doing your homework. Forget all this. For every hour that you study, you should do 2 hours of homework. For every class. That's how you start getting yourself ready for the next level. You guys got to get down, buckle down, and get disciplined and start practicing. So I got 2 things for you. Practice, 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 practice. Study. Do your homework. You got to set things up. I got a 5-day study plan I'm going to give you. Oh, yeah. I'm going to give you a 5-day study plan and show you how to practice for the big game. 2, you got to get disciplined. You got to get disciplined. You got to sit yourself down and put the blinders on like they do the horses. So all you're seeing is forward. You're looking forward. That's all you're looking at. And the things on the side are not distracting you. If that's what it takes, then that's what you have to do. So you got to discipline yourselves, folks. You got to practice. You got to stop playing around. This is week 3 of the semester. Where are you? What do your goals look like? Okay? If you're not where you're supposed to be, start back over and sacrifice. Then practice. And then start getting discipline. Those are my 3 tips. So that's 3 weeks right there. I just gave you 2 weeks in one session, and we still moving. All right. So listen, I'm gonna do what I can for you, but you gotta do things on your own. You gotta practice. You gotta get disciplined in order for this to work. All right. It's your boy, Mr. McGee. Hit me up on my Facebook page. Make a comment. If you need anything, questions, comments, concerns, hit me up. Y'all not hitting me up? Hit me up. Make me work for you. All right? Peace.